5 secrets to soulful Alfredo. Kitchen magic revealed. In a quiet kitchen tucked away in Atlanta, Georgia, the secret to a soul-soothing Alfredo simmers. Not in restaurants, but in the hands of a woman who's been cooking love into every meal for nearly 7 decades. First, the rind of aged Parmesan. Not just for garnish or grating, but the very edge, where flavor lives. Drop it in the cream and let it whisper its story. Earthy, nutty, rich. A secret passed down from an Italian neighbor decades ago. Garlic, yes, but not raw. Roasted till it's sweet as honey and mashed into a velvet paste. It blends, not bites. A warmth that hugs the tongue, not punches it. And then, just a whisper of nutmeg, not to taste, but to feel. A gentle complexity, grounding the cream with a hint of mystery. It's the kind of detail only a grandmother would know. Butter, but deeper. Toasted until golden, until it smells like toasted hazelnuts and memory. This brown butter turns a simple Alfredo into a dish that remembers its roots and honors them. And finally, a dash of lemon zest. Not for sourness, but light. It lifts the cream, dances with the cheese, and brightens the whole world, if just for a bite. Five secrets, not so secret when shared with love. This is Alfredo as it was meant to be. Not fast, not flashy, but soulful, sacred, and made by hands that remember. Try it in your kitchen. Feel the difference. And if this story stirred your soul, subscribe for more recipes that feed the heart as much as the body. If you enjoyed this short video, remember to give us a like and subscribe to continue to see instructional cinematic videos like this. Watch this next video. Many blessings and much favor. Until we meet again, we'll see you next time.